Future of transportation. Humans have always tried to find ways to make travel easier and faster. Ideas that previously belonged solely to the realm of science fiction are now becoming a reality. From self-driving cars to vehicles that can ride on water, innovative new ideas driven by renewable energy will radically transform the transportation industry in the coming decades. Watch the video till the end as we tell you all about the vehicles that you might be able to travel in a few years' time. Hyperloop One. Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX and Tesla, devised the Hyperloop concept for ultra-fast inner-city transit. Often referred to as a fifth method of transportation after cars, planes, boats, and trains, the Hyperloop works on the premise of people traveling in capsules or pods that travel at high speeds through tubes over great distances. The tubes contain a low-pressure, airless atmosphere, and the pods are propelled by magnetic levitation technology. Low pressure and maglev technology provide a low-friction environment that allows the pods to reach speeds of up to 600 miles per hour. Tubes, pods, and terminals are three fundamental components of proposed Hyperloop concepts. Tesla developed motors and batteries as well as solar panels on the tube's outside surface, will power the tubes and pods. A flat electric motor handles forward motion and deceleration, making it perfect for creating movement in a straight line. Hyperloop has the potential to be fast, inexpensive, and environment-friendly. While being completely safe, the pods will also be luxurious, going one at a time and being 23 miles apart. Each one will have numerous emergency braking systems installed. Musk's amazing technology will compete with air travel but at a quarter of the cost, with one-way tickets costing roughly $20. HydroPace. With an autonomous and electric hydrofoil catamaran, Cas Damen has imagined the future of high-end aquatic public transportation. HydroPace is an idea for a luxurious mode of public transportation to be utilized by business commuters or tourists in urbanized coastal locations, such as Dubai or Saudi Arabia. A hybrid between a hydrofoil racing boat that lifts itself off the water once it reaches a particular speed, and Japan's Shinkansen high-speed bullet train. The aquatic vehicle is intended to be an environmentally friendly and speedy alternative to clogged highways. The suggested vehicle has a level of autonomy of level 5, which means it does not require human involvement and does not require any steering equipment. As a result, the front of the cabin is free of helm space, allowing for a more open and spacious interior. It can accommodate up to 20 passengers, including 2 cabin staff members. Thanks to its electric jet power supply, the twin-hulled catamaran can reach speeds of over 100 kilometers per hour. Each hull has a ducted fan that is powered by built-in electric motors with lithium-ion battery systems powering the electric motors. Compressed air exits the fan nozzle and flows through the hull to the rear apertures, where it is released into the atmosphere. Damen envisioned a fluid outer design with an organically curved body that is seamlessly connected to its foils. The front foils are made of the hulls, while the back foil is attached to the roof and wraps around the cabin. For the passengers, its unusual shape creates a safe and protective sensation. The vehicle's roof is a bubble-shaped glass pane that provides vast panoramic views of the surroundings, while also generating an open internal space with abundance of natural light. Mercedes-Benz F015. You can see luxury in motion with the F015. The self-driving vehicle that can turn the interior into a personal retreat where time and space are the most precious commodities. This four-seater vehicle is a forerunner of a mobility revolution, as seen by its futuristic style. The essential aspects of Mercedes-Benz design philosophy, sensuality, and clarity combine to create a unique progressive aesthetic appeal. The interior includes warm organic materials like open-pore walnut wood that has been molded into a three-dimensional veneer, an incredibly soft ice-white Nappa leather contrast with clearly defined metal and glass surfaces that have a chilly technical sense. Matrix images are used to develop the transitions between organic, metal, and synthetic materials, and the flowing transitions provide a fresh, unrivaled sense of expansive space. The F015 has a dynamic silhouette thanks to its low-slung front end and smooth, streamlined roof, while the revolutionary saloon-style doors enable simple access to the inside. The transition between the vehicle floor and the door panels also has a distinctive curve that echoes the outside body contour. The changeable seating system, which includes 4 rotating lounge chairs that allow a face-to-face seat configuration, is the centerpiece of the novel interior idea. The F015 Luxury in Motion's high-strength body offers maximum safety and comfort for its passengers. Simultaneously, the body shell construction provides a perfect foundation for the impact-protected installation of an F-Cell plug-in hybrid drive system for the door design that makes getting in and out particularly simple. Every detail of the Mercedes-Benz F015 Elegance in Motion reflects the company's interpretation of modern luxury in motion and intelligence. Enjoying the video? Make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to share them with us in the comments section below. Renault Float. Renault has teamed up with a group of students from London's Central St. Martin's Art and Design College to create the car of the future. The French automaker recently launched a design competition for a futuristic car that focused on the company's future fleet's key features: electric power, autonomous driving, and link technologies. The winner of the competition was a concept for a levitating bubble-shaped vehicle. The winning designer, Yun-Chen Kai, built the vehicle and named it the Float. During her 2-week internship at Renault's Techno Center, Kai worked on the model alongside designers from the company. The Float uses magnetic levitation technology instead of wheels. The Float also boasts silver bucket seats and transparent external glass. Without turning around, the car can go in any direction. The Float is designed to accommodate 1 or 2 people. It is, however, structured in such a way that a magnetic belt around the exterior can be used to join additional pods, allowing a larger number of individuals to travel together. People can get in and out more easily with sliding doors. The Float is also meant to integrate with an app, allowing it to operate similarly to car-sharing vehicles like Uber. Pop-up Airbus. Pop-up is a modular, totally electric, zero-emission concept vehicle meant to alleviate traffic congestion in congested megacities. The multimodal transportation system takes advantage of both ground and air space. The pop-up system intends to give commuters back time by presenting a new user-focused transportation system concept that is flexible, shared, and adaptable inside communities. The pop-up vehicle bridges the automotive and aerospace worlds by combining the flexibility of a tiny 2-seater ground vehicle with the freedom and speed of a vertical takeoff and landing air vehicle. A capsule meant to accommodate passengers is at the heart of the concept. The Mono-Q carbon fiber cocoon is 2.6 meters long, 1.4 meters tall, and 1.5 meters broad, and is made of high-tech materials. By simply attaching to the ground module, which has a carbon fiber chassis and is battery-powered, the capsule converts into a city automobile. The capsule detaches from the ground module and is carried by a 5 by 4.4 meter air module, driven by 8 counter-rotating rotors for mega-city journeys with heavy traffic. Pop-up transforms into an urban self-piloted air transport in this mode, utilizing the third dimension to effectively get from point A to point B, while avoiding traffic congestion on the ground. The pop-up provides a seamless travel experience by allowing passengers to combine the capsule with other modes of public transport. The user can stay in the same capsule for the entire routes without having to transition between different forms of transportation and enjoy the full commute time, with real-time interaction between the capsule and the surrounding urban environments and communities. The pop-up model will be easy to utilize with passengers using an app to plan and book their trips. The system will automatically propose the optimum mode of transportation according to the user knowledge, scheduling, traffic congestion, pricing, and ride-sharing requests. And that's it from today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching our video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the amazing videos we have in store for you.